Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Telegram on tablet easy steps step by step clearly. To start using Telegram on your tablet, begin by opening the App Store on your device. Search for Telegram in the search bar. Once you find the Telegram app, tap on it to view more details. Download and install the app by selecting the Install button. After the installation is complete, open the Telegram app. You will see a welcome screen with options to start. Tap on Start Messaging to proceed. Next, enter your phone number associated with your Telegram account. After entering your number, tap on the checkmark or Next button. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Input the verification code into the app to confirm your number. Once verified, set up your profile by adding your name and a profile picture if you wish. After completing your profile setup, you will be directed to the main chat interface. To start chatting, tap on the pencil icon to create a new message. You can search for contacts or select from your existing chats. To join a group or channel, use the search bar to find specific ones. Once you find a group or channel, tap on it and select Join. To customize your settings, tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner. Here, you can adjust notification preferences, privacy settings, and more. Explore Telegram features like voice calls, stickers, and bots to enhance your experience. If you want to send media, tap the attachment icon within a chat to upload files. For quick actions, use swipe gestures to access additional options on chat messages. Remember to regularly check for app updates in the App Store to enjoy new features. Now you're ready to use Telegram on your tablet with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.